It's a beautiful evening tonight, and I'm going to ask you a question. Can you end up working for a robot? This piece is called the Corporeal Corporation, a physical machine programmed to state actions extracted from restricted response lists. In this case, restricted means limited to a set and not something proscribed. Okay? What is a robot? A robot is an autonomous machine capable of sensing its environment, carrying out computations to make decisions, and performing actions in the real world. And what is a company? A company is any form of business organization that engages in a business or commercial activity for profit. Commonly, companies are incorporated as separate legal entities from their owners, and they have rights, liabilities, and legal capacities distinct from those of their owners or members. And what is a corporation? Well, a corporation is a company, again, or a group of people authorized to act as a single entity, legally a person, and recognized as such in law. Now, let's say that Lorraine Smith buys a robot, and she starts a company and calls it Lithium Mining. Lorraine purchased all the equipment necessary to do strip mining, shaft mining, ocean mining, both liquid and seafloor. She leased land where necessary and bought resource lands when convenient. It's always better to own than it's always better to own than lease, especially in a downturn. By the way, she hired 5,252 employees. They did various work like arrange contracts, conduct sales pitches, shipping, receiving, and computing oversight. Programmers automated much of the work, so these 5,252 employees could do the work of 525,000 employees. She fixed the company's address in Ruby Hill, Nevada. All of the corporate programming, automation, and daily operations were ported through 3 computer systems for accuracy. One system was located in Adelaide, Australia, one in Bern, Switzerland, and one in Rutana, Burundi. They were all overseen by a robot by the name of Astarine. Astarine performed all final choices of actions to be performed by using a strict set of instructions embedded in her core programming. These instructions were controlled by an early and incomplete set of instructions that were marketed as being a process that humans follow to make decisions. That process is decision, decision making, decision breakdown, explain, decision. So there would be work, there would be work done, then you would break down the work and explain what happened and extract the profit. The corporate flowchart was then designed to carry out each individual decision as explained. Of course, the process for human decision making is much more complex than the one that was used in this example with Astarine for her ability to carry out her artificial intelligence operations. A superior process for humans to follow in order to make decisions is STOPPP. The acronym stands for Stop, Think, Observe, Pause, Process, and Proceed. It requires constant iterations, introduction of new information, and a review of what's going to happen before it's done. To answer the original question, it will be possible to end up working for a robot. In a large majority of cases already you may be, after reviewing the actual operation of the company or sector that you work in, is that you are either working already for a robot or a system that is designed or being designed in such a way as to be a de facto robot already in the making. The real impact of artificial intelligence is here already, and it is not governed by a process of true intelligence. It is a simple set of choices that the machine makes, true, false, true, false. They say it is not if then else, it is if then else, if then else, if then else, etc., and so forth at super high speeds, and it comes out with a solution rather quickly, which is what people want to achieve when they've invested so much money in it. It is a dangerous process, it is robotic, it is prone to error, and will get worse. It is essentially the operations carried out by a cash register and now associated with text and directing humans what to do in order to run the economy. Thank you.